Um, okay, so a little recap from last week, guys. So basically, if you remember from the last video, I took a trade on Euro GBP, and that went straight into my stop loss. And it was like really annoying, and I doubted myself for this week, but this week actually turned out good, and I wanted to share like what happened. Let's see. Wait. So as of now, so if you see Euro GBP, I'll show you my last week's trade. So last week, I took a trade for the sells, but actually it just went not in my favor. It just went away. So I took the loss on Euro GBP. And then USD CAD is something I've taken a win on. Uh, so basically, the weekly, if you see, it had like it didn't have any retracement. So I wanted to take a trade on this retracement. If you look on the daily it shifted bearish. That's when I entered the trade. Basically, I didn't enter once it shifted, but I entered before it turned. Like on the movement of this candle, I did enter it, and I just put my stop loss right, like I think 5 pips or something above the 4 hours high or something. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted a 1 to 2, and I don't care what happens after that. This is the lesson like I learned after like so many losses that it's okay to like lose out a bit, but just maintain your risk to reward, and that's gonna like take you a long way. So I'll just explain why I took this trade. So it's basically simple. The weekly is not in my favor. The weekly is bullish, um, and if you look, I just took it based on my intuition that it has to have the retracement to go for the higher push. That's basically on the weekly. On the daily, I was waiting for it to see a shift of structure. That's exactly what happened. I couldn't have expected a cleaner thing, but I mean, I could have taken this even on the 4 hours if you look at it. 4 hours shifted bearish up here, and it came back to retest. I could have taken trade here, but I waited a little longer to take the trade, but I think it's still fine. And yeah, it's the same thing on 30 minutes, head and shoulders kind of thing. I just entered the trade. So yeah, that's very much it for USD CAD. Uh, Currently, right now I'm in GBP and ZD. Uh, this thing is the same as USD CAD if you look at it. But this thing is a bit better because my weekly is bearish. It's in my favor. And the push, this leg of a push was trying to have a retest from the previous structure. So that is something which was in my favor. I took the trade on that. On the weekly, if you can see, there's actually even head and shoulders over here. You can left, head, and right. So it broke through the neckline of that, came back, retested, and selling. So it's a good sign of that. The daily, so I waited for it to shift bearish. I think it was this trade that I could have entered even on the 4 hour shift of structure. So see, 4 hours shifted here, came back for the retest, and then it had the push. So I mean, anything could happen. It's still fine. And yeah, it's basically that. I think it should just finish up the trade today. I'm not going for anything. I just want my 1 to 2. I have my take profit set. I have my stop loss set. I'm not moving anything. That's pretty much it. Uh, so I'll show you my PNS right now. So if you see, I'll just show you my history. You guys should understand that. Okay, so this is my PNL. You see Euro GBP. The before trade, I had a $4 loss. Then I had USD CAD. That's $8 when I show you guys it's a sell, and I did make it out of the sell. Currently, I'm in GBP and ZD, and looks good. We'll see what happens. Yeah, pretty much it. Pretty much it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching.